motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, man, I want to show you what's going on with these camshaft sensors. As you can see, I took out the airbag, the air box, took the air box out, took out the cover, all of that. Alright, so let me get some light. What we have here is the side of the engine, and we have sensors. Alright, these sensors here, this is bank 2, this is bank 1. Camshaft sensor. This is the exhaust camshaft sensor, and that one is your intake. And on this side, bank 1, if you can get down in here. Alright, so we got this sensor right here. That's your exhaust cam. And this one right here is your intake. Bank 1. Alright, in order to get bank 2, bank 2 is the hardest ones because, as you can see, this bracket right here for this mount is actually in the way, and you can't get in here. You can get in here and loosen it up, but you can't back it out because it's gonna hit that. Same as that one. It's gonna back out and hit it. You won't be able to get it all the way out. I'm not sure, probably. I think that's the same way, but I'm gonna find out because I'm gonna be replacing all 4 of them. And this right here, see it, they open. You can get to those. Those are easy. So basically, we're gonna have to raise this motor, get these bolts out of here, these 18mm bolts out of the side of it, the motor mount, because it's inside of the engine. See these points, and we'll be able to get them out. Shouldn't be too bad, man, but we're gonna get it. Let's get it. That's how that sensor look. 3-prong, 10mm. That's the part number. AC Delco. I took the bolts out. Took the bolt out now, and I got them out. I'm gonna work on pushing these clips back because they're pretty tough, and pulling these sensors out from the harness. Connect that. I got both of them out. Alright. And what I did was took some pliers and squeezed these ends right here because I couldn't do it with 2 hands. I wasn't able to do it with my bare hand, so yeah, so those out, put those new ones in, pop them in, reverse order, and then we're gonna go to the front, man, and work on that mount. Make sure that gasket snap in there. Both of them, put the bolts back in. That's what I got. Got these two bolts. One in the rear, right here, and one. Got to take out this 10mm for this AC line and pull it up and make room. Get to that bolt there. Now I loosened that one up. It's not all the way out because of this right here. I'm actually okay because right now I can move that bracket around, and I should be able to get this out from here. We're gonna see. Alright, got that out. You see it's still touching. Alright, so I'm gonna jack it up and see if we can get some more clearance. See, we got a little more clearance because it's away from that bracket. The engine is away from the bracket. And boom, I can pull it out. See, that bolt is still there. That bolt is still there. That could be like a guide, so when it goes back down, it sits right in, and then you can put, you know, tighten it up with no problem. Boom. And the other one should be good with the other one. Let's see. Alright, looking like we're gonna make it. Yep. That's the second one. That's how I got that out. Those two bolts. Worked perfect. Got around. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Perfect. A straight one would have been a little difficult, but it would have worked. Alright, so I lowered the engine, and you can see it went right in place. Now that bolt go right in, and it's catching the thread. And right there, guide. Quick. Right back in place. Go ahead and put your bolts back in there. Alright, we got everything back together. All four of those sensors are installed, and that's how you go about installing them. If you wanted them installed, you wanted to see the locations and the which side is which, exhaust and intake. I hope this video work out for y'all, man, and help out. If y'all have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section below. You know what to do, man. If you're liking the content, like the video, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate all the likes, and make sure you hit that notification bell, comment, subscribe. We're gonna get back at y'all next video with the Pull-Up King.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't